I'm going to be using this dummy Hamster Kombat. As you can see, when I start this Hamster Kombat, you will notice that the hamster is almost butt naked. So as you can see, this is a test. I just created it for the purpose of these tutorials to show you how you can finally connect your hamster wallet. As you can see, it's saying connect Ton wallet. If I click on it, I've not connected, right? So I'm going to be showing you how to connect and also how to disconnect it and change it to any wallet of your choice as many times as you want before the date of the airdrop, right? So I'm going to be using this brand new wallet. As you can see, my profit per hour is 0. Okay, I'm at almost the lowest level, as you can see right here. I don't know. Okay, this is the lowest level, so I'm next to the lowest level. Okay, so let's start with my Ton keeper. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my home page now, then I'm gonna enter my Ton keeper. So as you can see here, I have Ton keeper, I have my Ton wallet, I have Ton hub. We also have other wallets like Trust Wallet, Gather Wallet. All these wallets have Ton. So it's not a must that you must use Ton keeper or you must use this my Ton wallet, Ton hub. You can also use Trust Wallet and Gather, and as far as the wallet has Ton in it, right? So I'm going to start with this particular one, my Ton, which is the Ton keeper. For those of you that have Ton keeper, just follow this step to connect and disconnect, right? So I'm going to connect it and I'm also going to disconnect it. But before I do that, I'm going to create a separate wallet and call it tutorial wallet, just for the purpose of clarity, so that you know that this is the wallet that was connected and this is the address that is linked to that particular wallet. So as you can see, this is my existing Hamster Kombat wallet, the one that is connected. And if I click on this button here and I go to, if I go to browser and I go to connected, you see that my Hamster Kombat is showing here as connected. But this is not a big deal for those of you that don't have it. It's not a big deal. This is just like if you click on it, it will just take you to their website. Okay, it's not like it's an actual decentralized app or a smart contract itself, right? So that is just something I just want you to know. So for those of you that want to remove it, all you have to do is press and hold, and it's going to ask if you want to remove it. But that's not why we are here. We want to create a separate wallet. So I'm going to create a separate wallet and call it tutorial. So new wallet. So I'm going to name this wallet Hamster Tutorial. Okay, then I'm going to give it this rabbit icon, change it to yellow, right? So you know you can differentiate that this is the wallet I'm using, right? So this is Hamster Tutorial. Now I have my Ton wallet. Now how do I connect this Ton wallet to my Hamster Kombat? So I'm going to go to my Hamster Kombat right now. Once I'm inside of Hamster Kombat, I'm going to click on this button that says airdrop. Once you click on the button that says airdrop, click on the button that says connect your Ton wallet. Click on connect your Ton wallet a second time, then it's going to bring up a pop-up. So sometimes it takes a while, just give it a while. If it doesn't come up the first time, click on it a second time. If it doesn't still come up, close it, click on it again, and it should come up. So once it comes up like this, you have up to 5 options. The first option is to connect the inbuilt Telegram Ton wallet by using this first check. If you click on this, it's going to take you to the inbuilt Telegram wallet, but I don't want to do that. What I want to use is my Ton keeper for this tutorial. So I'm going to click on Ton keeper. So it's going to take me to my Ton keeper, then it's going to load up. As you can see, Hamster Tutorial. Remember, I created this wallet for the purpose of connecting to this hamster. So I'm going to go ahead and click on connect wallet, then I'm going to put in my passcode. Then as you can see at the bottom, it says done. So once that is done, you will see that the wallet that is here will now be what is showing here. As you can see, I've successfully connected my Hamster wallet. Look at it, connect your Ton wallet. Connect your Ton wallet. It's starting from UQCYE and ends with VK. So I'm going to minimize this and check if it's the same thing. So I'm going to go to my Ton wallet and I'm going to go, as you can see, UQCYVK. So it's the same thing. So I've successfully connected my wallet. And if I click on this browser button and I go to where it says connected, you're going to see my Hamster Kombat is showing here, right? Now, for those of you that used another wallet, maybe you just fancy this. It's not a big deal, by the way, But if you just fancy this and you want to use Ton Keeper, you can also disconnect your wallet. So I'm going to show you how to disconnect your Hamster Kombat right now. So the first thing you want to do is to disconnect it from within the app, right? So to do that, click and hold this button and click on remove. Then it's going to remove it. As you can see, once you've removed it, you have to go back to your Hamster Kombat, slide to your Hamster Kombat interface, then click on this X button. Sorry about that. So click on this X button and they're going to ask you, are you sure you want to untether your Ton wallet? What this means is that they are trying to say, are you sure you want to unlink your Ton wallet? Click yes, and once you click that, it's gonna unlink the wallet that you just linked. So as you can see, it has disconnected the Ton wallet. It has disconnected the Ton wallet to show you that it is still the same dummy wallet. As you can see, my naked hamster, it is still the same dummy wallet. If I go here, you see that if I click on connect, it's going to click on show me connect again, right? So that's basically how to disconnect. So for those of you that maybe you link to a wallet that you no longer have access to, all you have to do is just follow this step and you will be able to disconnect it and connect it to a different wallet altogether. So that is for Ton Keeper. Now let's connect to another Ton wallet. So I'm going to be using my Ton wallet next. So I'm going to open up my Ton wallet. Then I'm going to also create a separate wallet and call it Hamster Create Wallet. I'm going to call it, so I'm going to click on create backup. Then it's going to show me the backup freeze that I need to store for this brand new wallet that I'm creating. So I'm going to just tick everything. Then I'm going to click on understood. Now as you can see, they now have some bunch of 24 secret codes that I will be using to recover this wallet. You want to screenshot this and store this on your cloud, your Google Drive or your iPhone cloud, somewhere that is not physically accessible by people, something you can actually secure. So I'll click on let me just, what do I do now? Okay, let me just screenshot this. So I'm going to go ahead and click on let's check. Then they say the 6th one, the 12th one and the 18th one. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. As you can see, I've created the wallet. What I want to do now is rename this wallet to Hamster Tutorial. Okay, I'll just say dummy. Okay, dummy. I'll just leave it as Hamster Tutorial and save it. So I now have Hamster Tutorial, so I'm going to go to my Hamster Kombat and try to connect this one. Remember, this wallet is my Ton wallet. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and click on airdrop, then click on connect wallet, then click on connect wallet again, and click on my Ton wallet. Then it's going to take me to the my Ton wallet app. As you can see, they say connect app, select wallets to use. So I'm going to say Hamster Tutorial, then I'm going to click on connect. Hamster Kombat will be able to view wallet address and balance. Connect. Then let's give it some time to load, and boom, I now have my Hamster Kombat wallet connected, as you can see. So let's confirm if it is the same wallet address. So UQB4FV60, UQB4FV60, UQB4FV60. So let's check the wallet address. So I'm going to go to receive. So UQB4 FV60. So as you can see, this is it. This is the wallet and it's the same thing. For those of you that your wallet is showing differently, remember I told you they have two types of Ton wallet, the UQ and the other one, I think the EQ. You can get it from the settings and stuff like that. So if I head over to connected dApps, you're going to see Hamster Kombat connected, as you can see right here. So that's basically for this one. So if you want to disconnect it as well, click on disconnect here, and it will disconnect. Then you can now go back to Hamster Kombat. Once you're in Hamster Kombat, let me close it and show you that it is still showing even after I've disconnected it. So for those of you that disconnect from the app, if you click on here, it will still show. As you can see, it's still showing me the tick, meaning that it is still connected. So what you need to do is click on this X again, and you click on yes, you want to unlink, and once you do that, boom, you are disconnected again. So that's basically for the second wallet. Now for the third wallet, I'm going to use Ton Hub. So for Ton Hub, click on Ton Hub, create a wallet. I'm going to create a separate wallet. I'm going to call it Hamster Tutorial as well. So as you can see, Ton is at $8.16. Remember I said you should go invest in ton, buy some ton and stick, just hold ton, because of all this hype will eventually translate to a pump, right? I said that for those of you that have been following my channel for a while. So now let's create another wallet. So click here, then at the bottom, so this is where I clicked, click here, then at the bottom click on add wallet, then click add new wallet. Then so I've screenshotted it and I've saved it, so click OK. I have saved it. Then it's going to take you to login. So I now have my second wallet, wallet 2. So I'm going to rename this wallet 2 to something worthwhile. So I'm going to go to settings here. Once you go to settings, click on the wallet name. I'm trying to rename it actually. Okay, you go to this icon here, click on it, then change the name to Hamster Kombat tutorial Ton Hub. Okay, so I'm going to click on save. So I now have this particular wallet. So the next you want to do is to head over to Hamster Kombat again. So I'm going to switch to my Hamster Kombat. Then this is showing here, but if you leave it to reload, and as you can see it's not connected, just for the record. So I'm going to go back to airdrop. I'm clicking on connect your Ton wallet. I'll click on connect your Ton wallet again. Then this time I'm going to choose Ton Hub. So once you click on Ton Hub, it's going to take you to the Ton Hub page. As you can see, I'm inside of Ton Hub now. So I'm going to say just once to open with Ton Hub. Then it's going to go into Ton Hub. Then it's going to prompt me, as you can see, connect Hamster to Ton Hub. Then here you can choose the particular wallet you want to connect with. So as you can see, Hamster tutorial Ton Hub. So I'm going to click on connect because it's the one that is checked, connect. So once I click on connect, I'm going to put in my pin, and that is it, it's connected. So to find out if it's connected correctly, click on this button that says browser at the bottom. Once you click on browser, click on connections, and as you can see here, it's not showing anything. But if you head over to extensions, you see Hamster Kombat. So for Ton Hub, it's not showing under connections, but it's showing under extensions, right? That is because this is not a smart contract, it is just their website. If you click on it, it's just going to take you to hamsterkombat.io. So the website didn't load completely, but that's fine. But that's just the whole idea. This is how to connect all three wallets. So I've been able to show you how to connect the three major Ton wallets. But let's say, for example, you want to use any other wallet outside this three wallet. Let's say you want to use something like this one right here, Trust Wallet. You have to disconnect from Ton Hub, obviously. So let me just do that for the record. Press and hold. Oh, there is no way to, there is no press and hold. I think it should be slide. Let me slide it. Yes, slide to the left, then click on delete. So I'll click on revoke, and that is it. So as you can see, I've been able to remove my hamster. So I'm going to head back to Hamster Kombat and repeat the same thing I did for others to disconnect it. Yeah, I noticed that it didn't even show me connected here. So one thing I noticed was that there was still a pop-up window here, so you have to pay attention, make sure it's connected properly. I wish I didn't. Okay, let me just connect it back and try to reenact that. Okay, it just refreshed. As you can see, it's connected. So to disconnect your Ton Hub, click on the X button, then click on yes to unlink it. So as you can see, I have successfully unlinked it. All three wallets I was able to connect and disconnect. So I hope that answers most of the questions that you guys may have. So let's just do one more for an unknown wallet like Trust Wallet or Gather Wallet and the rest. So I'm going to be using Trust Wallet for this one. So I'm going to open up my Trust Wallet. Then I'm going to put in my passcode. So as you can see, I'm inside of my wallet. So right here you can see there is no Ton wallet showing. But if you click on this button that says manage crypto, you can go ahead and search for Ton and enable it. So I'll click on this search icon here. If you click here, you see all network, you see Ton network here. As you can see, Ton network is also here. So I'm going to search for, I'm going to go back, then I'm going to TON here, TON. So as you can see, it's Ton coin. Remember, we have Ton coin on BNB, that's Binance Smart Chain. We have on Wrapped on Ethereum and the rest. So depending on the one you want. So guys, to be on the safe side, I'm going to just cancel this. Then I'm going to go here that it says all networks. Then I'm going to search for ton, ton. So we are using the ton network. I'm going to click on ton. Then it's going to narrow it down. I'm going to enable ton network. Once I enable ton network, then I'm going to go check if it is showing on my wallet. As you can see, ton is now showing here. Ton is now showing here. So I'm going to use main wallet one. As you can see, it's the only wallet. Then I'm going to go ahead and do something simple, right? So I'm going to go click on Hamster Kombat. Then, so sorry about that, guys. Where is my Hamster Kombat? Okay, so once I'm inside of Hamster Kombat, let me click on the home page just to show you that there is no wallet connected. Click on connect wallet. Click on connect your ton wallet again. Then scroll down to the right. There are two ways you can do this. You can open link or you can copy link. For opening link, when you click on open link, you see some options to open with. So you can say open with ton keeper, ton wallet, and the rest. But I don't want to use this option. I want to copy link. I want to copy link. So to copy link, I'm going to click on copy link. Then I'm going to go back to my trust wallet. So I'm going to minimize this. Then I'm going to go to my trust wallet. Then once I'm inside of trust wallet, the next thing I want to do, okay, I need to log in. So once I'm inside of trust wallet, click on this button that says discover at the bottom. Once you click on discover at the bottom, paste the URL that you copied, then hit enter. Once you paste it, it's going to take you to the option to connect it. Okay guys, so when I pasted the link I copied from Hamster Kombat here, it took me to Google. It's crazy. I don't know why it's taking me to Google, but this only explains that maybe this particular wallet is not compatible. Because if you think about it, when I opened the link here, once I clicked on open link, and it showed these three wallets, it did not show trust wallet, right? So it means that these are the compatible wallets. If you have any other wallet that accepts it, then it's fine. Like one of my subscribers actually mentioned something like that, where he said he connected one of his other wallets. Yeah, so the person said he connected it with Telegram, ton space beta, right? So maybe this is compatible. As far as you connect it and it's showing, then you're good to go. But if you have your doubts, then you can just follow the steps in this video to disconnect and connect either of the three supported wallets. But for me, if I were to advise, I would say that you should use either of those three wallets. Any of them is fine. As you can see, I was able to connect all three of them in this tutorial. So that's basically it for how to connect and disconnect your wallet. And if you have any issues, I also made a separate video on how you can reach out to their team. Maybe you have issues that you can't actually solve with this method I've listed in this video, then you can go ahead and reach out to the team and they would help you out in any way they can. So that's it for this video, guys. If this video has been helpful, do well to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, help me push this video, share it to your friends, and let's see how far this video can go. Have a nice day and I love you guys. Bye.